Brand icon presents
Hashtag Chai Time. So well, ladies and gentlemen, that is Brand Icon 2018 and that is hashtag Chai Time. बॉलीवुड का एक रिसेंट सॉन्ग आया था एंड उस बॉलीवुड के सॉन्ग ने बहुत सारे रोमांटिक दिलों को अपने साथ जोड़ा एंड बहुत सारे नहीं, मैं कहूँगा ऑलमोस्ट पूरा इंडिया इस गाने को गुनगुनाता है, पूरा वर्ल्ड गुनगुनाता है. दैट इज मुस्कुराने की वजह तुम हो. अब जब इस गाने की पहली लाइन आती है तो उसमें फर्स्ट वर्ड इज मुस्कुराने की. वेल, मेरे साथ अभी कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं यहाँ पर जिन्होंने जिंदगी में लोगों को बहुत सारी मुस्कुराहटें दी हैं एंड उन्हीं कुछ लोगों में से जो सिलेक्टेड मेंबर्स हैं हमारे जो IEA 2018 में नॉमिनेटेड है. वेल, ऐसी ही एक पर्सनालिटी मेरे सामने है जिनकी स्माइल बहुत प्यारी है और वो हिंदुस्तान को ही नहीं पूरे वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे लोगों को खूबसूरत सी एक स्माइल दे चुके हैं. वेल, इट्स अ टाइम टू मेक अ वेरी वेलकम नोट एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ग्रीटिंग नोट टू द जेंटलमैन हु इज जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड आई नीड अ बिग अपलॉड फॉर दिस एज वेल फ्रॉम माय साइड बिकॉज जो जिंदगी में हंसना सिखाए वो सबसे बड़ा और अहम काम कर रहा है. सो व्हाट्स योर नेम सर?
I'm Dr. Surendra Kumar Alluri.
Okay, Surendra Kumar. And Surendra Kumar, before I do start it up, anything, my first question to you, as you are into doctorate, like doctor field, so being a doctor, there are so many responsibilities. Whenever your patients come to you, he's with so many questions, so many difficulties he's facing into his life. But the moment when he arrived to your clinic, what is the first thought comes into your mind?
It's an all-inclusive thought actually.
Okay.
That he is part of me.
Okay.
And then he's looking for the same things in life that I'm looking to as well.
Wow.
So my thinking goes into a solution-oriented mode immediately.
Wow, that's so great. So now, before moving up to the next question, first of all, I want to congratulate you as you're nominated as the Best Cosmetic Dental Surgeon Award. So how's it feeling like?
Completely overwhelmed. I would say this is a triple bonanza for me actually.
Wow.
First of all, IEA sponsored by Brand Icon is an international fabulous platform for one to showcase his talents. And secondly, to come over here to Thailand, which is otherwise called the Land of Smiles. And to top it all, to have a rendezvous session with Madhuri Dixit ji, who actually sports a smile that can launch 1,000 ships, they say.
Yeah.
Her smile is actually a dentist's delight. It's a dentist's muse. And I'm honored and humbled at the same time. Yeah.
Wow. So, what does the smile means to you?
To me, it means quite a lot actually. A smile, it's a huge part of who I am. It's a huge part of who you are as well.
Yeah.
It's in fact the first thing that someone notices about you.
True.
And Mr. Nawab, how good are you at guessing someone's age? Can you place them in the right year?
Not exactly.
Can you place them in the right decade?
Little bit of being special, like 1 or 2 year gap in between of that.
Yeah. According to recent studies, it clearly shows that someone who's smiling more, it's even more difficult to place his age because we perceive smiling faces as more attractive and youthful. Yet as we age, we find a lot of deterioration in our dental condition, and people tend to smile less instead of more.
Okay.
And which need not be the case actually, because you have a very new breed of skilled cosmetic dentists who with their innovative smile makeover techniques can turn back the clock and put a full stop to all this age-revealing dental decline with one of their various procedures like porcelain veneers and dental bonding and orthodontics and grafting and things like that.
Okay.
So sometimes a combination of these procedures are used to bring about a more youthful and attractive look. So you asked what a smile means to me, right? Recently during a spelling bee competition in my son's school, they had asked one of the parents to stand up and kind of spell the longest word in the English dictionary. So I stood up and spelled floccinaucinihilipilification, but then told them that that's not the longest word, but it's actually smiles because it's a mile long between two S's.
Wow.
So to me, smile is an attitude, it's an emotion, and it's something that perceives confidence.
Wow. Yeah. You are from Hyderabad, if I'm not wrong.
Very much.
And the first thing that attracts me a lot is the name of your clinic.
Yes. You heard of it before?
Yes, not exactly heard it before, but the best thing is the spa. I heard about spa, that is hair spa. But what is dental spa?
Yeah. Basically, it's an award-winning practice actually. We
Okay.
won an award for our concept and interior design.
Wow, that's great.
My wife happens to be an interior designer who helped me.
So both are into the creative thing.
Kind of.
You make a person creative and she's into making home decor and everything.
Yeah,
Right,
yes.
right, right.
So, Shambhala actually takes its name from a legendary kingdom,
Okay.
famous for being an enlightened society, and where people are immune from want or suffering or old age. Legend has it that Shambhala is a place where our 10th avatar of Lord Vishnu will be born as Kalki. Even the Buddhists seem to believe that Buddha is going to reincarnate as Lord Maitreya at Shambhala village.
Okay.
So this particular dental practice called Shambhala Dental Spa and Wholeness at Hyderabad, it's a new age cosmetic and general dental office,
Okay.
where every effort is made to kind of set aside the negative images associated with the profession.
Okay.
So we provide a healing touch
Okay.
with something called as private rejuvenation dentistry,
Okay.
which means that there's only one client at a time, and the entire office caters to the client. So you could probably, when you come there, you could have your filling done, and then you have someone doing your foot massage, and then someone else takes care of your secretarial services.
Wow, that's great. That means we are making, taking care of everything.
Yeah. So the idea is to bring you into a more relaxed atmosphere.
Okay.
To
That's the name spa comes up.
yes,
Oh,
to allay your fears and anxiety. So going to the dentist is no more a
All
necessary
right.
evil at Shambhala,
All right.
actually.
So basically, it's an overall treatment for foot. to your
Our main focus is smiles and dental
Okay.
design,
Okay.
but these are ancillary treatments specifically designed timeless techniques to make sure that the patient is in a paradise-like ambience with not much of anxiety or fear.
Okay. So how do you cope your business, your profession accordingly with your family?
They're all one and the same for me. As
Okay.
far as I'm concerned, my business and my
Okay.
family and my recreation, it's all changing someone's mind.
Yes, I hope that every family member understand that kind of work you're doing. You're doing a great job. And now, how's the experience being into IEA 2018?
IEA, as I told you before, it's a completely overwhelming experience.
Wow.
Had a fantastic smile. I just noticed that in Thailand, we have a lot of smiling faces.
Yes.
And I just studied that they have 13 different smiles documented. The
Wow.
the Thai
Have you
people.
noticed that?
I'm just getting around to know these people, and very difficult to find out their age actually.
Wow.
Maybe because they're smiling a lot. Yeah.
Nice. So, this is 2018. So much of competition is there in the market. So, where do you see yourself in the market?
I actually am a second generation dental surgeon. My father
Okay.
was a dental surgeon as well,
Okay.
and I was associated with a lot of tertiary care health centers.
Okay.
And the fact that disturbed me the most in the healthcare industry so far was we were all waiting with our ambulances parked at the edge, at the bottom of the cliff.
Yes.
And we were waiting for people to fall off the edge. And we were only focusing on building faster, more equipped ambulances,
Yes.
rather than mending the fences or the rails at the
True,
edge of the
true,
cliff.
true, true.
So, in our name, wholeness actually, wholeness is a root word for health,
Okay.
where it comes from the understanding that health does not belong to the or within the four walls of a doctor's room.
Okay.
But actually, one can be healthy if he follows a particular curriculum
Okay.
of daily living habits, basically. And so we got on to spreading a preventative message. One-on-one is effective, but I'm able to use the media and social awareness campaigns to spread the message across.
So, you particularly started up from Hyderabad or somewhere else?
I was born and brought up in Chennai.
Okay.
All my education was in Chennai.
Okay.
And then I moved over to Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, that
And
where you
was-
started it up.
Yes.
Okay, well, so now before we winding it up, my last question to you, and that's a bit important question for my viewers as well. Is there any particular tip to maintain the healthy smile?
Quite a few tips. I would like to talk about. See, the dental profession is at the threshold of some amazing new discoveries,
Okay.
and the future is now. Actually, it's not a little far off.
Okay.
So I see a day when dentists can, regrow your own lost tooth with your own cells.
Oh.
I foresee a dentistry which is going completely digital, where robots and artificial intelligence work hand in hand with dentists. You can choose your favorite actor or sports person. Smile,
Yes,
smile and then they
even
just-
I heard this days before that in the coming years that there will be some sort of a technology that where you can copy the same smile
Exactly.
of other person.
Yeah, you can digitally paste a smile.
Yes,
onto
yes,
someone.
yes.
Exactly.
So is it possible?
Very much in the near future.
Wow. Then probably so many ladies over there, they must be gonna have a lot of copies in the coming of the years. So for that you have to just wait for the next coming years, because the gentleman now this at this moment is coming up with a winding note. And before we wind up, sir, any last note, any last message to our viewers?
Thank you. Keep smiling. I think that says it all.
Wow, that's so great. So thank you very much, sir. And once again, it was great meeting to you. And we do hope that we're gonna have that trophy in the evening in your hands and with the same smile. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice meeting to you.
Yeah.
Thank you.